Kenny here with Gardening Simplified. Just a little short video here on your preserved food. Now this has been vacuum packed, but as you can see, it's not tightly vacuum packed anymore. Now occasionally, and it's could be moisture gets in your seal or something like that. There might be maybe the bag got damaged somehow once it was sealed and nicked a little hole in it, whatever it might be. But periodically, whenever you're going through, check and watch for these. Maybe you'll get frost in the bag if it's been in there too long. But you want to eat these first. They're not going to store for a long time like the others, because what's going to happen is they're going to get freezer burnt, and then they're not going to taste quite as well. There won't be any problem as far as health issues from eating it. You know that it's going to poison you or something. The flavor's just not going to be there. So anyway, like I say, just watch your preserved food. Now this isn't like when it's in the freezer. This isn't like, say, you canned something and the seal's not good on the can, because that would be a different situation to where you wouldn't want to eat that. You know, if your seal breaks on your lid on your jar to where it's not properly vacuumed. But anyway, these in the freezer, it's perfectly fine to eat, but just be aware of that when you see them. And you can see this one, how it moves in the bag, because it just isn't sealed good. So just a quick tip: if you want to see more of my videos, well, hit that subscribe, hit the bell so you'll be notified, and give it a big thumbs up. Happy gardening.